Hi, hello, and welcome back to the channel. It's fantastic to see you again. And to all my new subscribers lately, thank you. We are making key lime pie, but not just any key lime pie, the key lime pie from Muscle Chow. Let's get started. You already know the drill. The first thing you want to do, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Time to start with the crust. I have my spatula, I have my bowl, and we're going to begin with 170 grams of graham crackers. That's about 4 sheets, give or take. Then we're gonna add in 1 cup or 100 grams of quick cook oats. Just 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And before I add in the applesauce, I'm just gonna mix this up right quick. And then 1/2 cup or 110 grams of the applesauce. Make sure the applesauce gets fully incorporated. You don't have any big lumps of applesauce hanging out. Super easy, right? Super easy. All right, this is more than wet sand, but everything is combined, it's ready to go. I have my baking dish here, and I am just going to pour it all out, but I'm gonna save about I would say about 1 tablespoon of the mixture, because that's gonna go on top. About 1 tablespoon. And I'm back. All right, so we are going to mash this down and around up the corners of the pie dish and create a nice little crust. So I switched from the cup to my hands. I washed my hands, and this works faster. Just make sure to wet your hands each time you go in, just so that the mixture doesn't stick to your fingers. It does smell amazing in here right now though. Oh my gosh. We are done. We're not looking for a perfect pie crust. We just need to get it up the sides a bit. This is going to go into the oven, like I said, at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Let's go. This part's only gonna take a couple of seconds. We're gonna begin with 300 milliliters or 1 small can of low-fat condensed milk. Did you know that existed? I did not. All right, this is taking longer than I thought. To this, you're gonna add in the yolks of 3 eggs. That's about 80 grams. 1/3 cup or 70 grams of lime juice. Not key limes. They're like so difficult to find here in Canada, so don't worry about it. And because it always makes it taste better, vanilla. Just 1/2 teaspoon. Take your whisk and whisk gingerly so it doesn't splash about and hit you in the face. You're gonna notice this thicken up real quick. It's pretty awesome. Now you're gonna pour this into your pie crust and put it back into the oven for 40 minutes.
Come on, 1, 2.
Fresh, zingy, and it really doesn't take that long to make. It's almost like it's calling you. You need to make this recipe. So when you do make it, let me know in the comments below. All right, people, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
가뭄 같은 마음엔 뭐라도 단비가 돼요.